Say it again, say it again, say it again. Camera, say hi.
Hey guys, so one of my favorite things that we've been doing this year is going on nature walks and going on nature trails with the kids. And so we just find all kinds of spots, hidden little spots and hidden little gems. And there's rivers and there's sticks and there's rocks, there's trees, there's flowers. Last time we saw a whole bunch of butterflies. There was like a sand area at one of the trails that we found. And so today we're going as a family and we're going to just go explore and let the kids just get dirty, get their hands dirty, get their feet dirty, just be kids and have fun and explore. And the questions that come out of these little nature walks and these explorations that we go on is ridiculous. Like, there's so many questions that the kids have, so many learning opportunities, and it's just a lot of fun. And so I wanted to take y'all along with us today.
Hi everybody, I buried the turtles.
They already found pine cones, rocks.
Huh?
What's these tulips?
Yeah, those are tulips. That's what you found on your nature adventure walk? Oh yeah, look at that. What is that? That's that sea thing we got last time. Yes. That's how you treat nature.
Look at that. You know, those are tiny seeds. They're seeds that blow off and then they plant another one. Look at that flower. Like, is that for real?
Wow, look at that.
Fake. It's real. I just found a flower.
A gem from the Lord right there.
What kind of flower is that?
I have no idea. It looks like those fly-eating flowers.
No.
That was every wilderness experience without a dog. 6-week-old puppy.
Aww,
That's a beautiful dog.
how do you pick him up?
Let's go down the magical stairs.
Okay, come on.
Down the rabbit hill we go.
Counting the stairs.
We found a place to call our own. A secret cove. Beautiful in every way.
Whoa!
Look at that. I guess money do grow on trees.
Whatever. What did you find? Rocks? Wow. Look at all those rocks. You can add that to your rock collection. Elena has a rock collection. What?
It's cold.
Oh. Caleb, you don't want to get down?
No.
No? Okay. He's coming down. He got his rain boots on and everything. He came prepared. Look at that one, Lena. Wow, this bark from a tree. Ah, careful though. You see Daddy? That's too far, guys. Get it. Hurry.
Darn it! It flew away from me. It was majestic, man. Throwing sticks in the river. It doesn't get more original than that.
Falling asleep. The sereneness and the peacefulness of it all. Minus the kids.
Mom, Daddy, can I show you how? Can I tell you something?
Yeah?
No climbing.
Oh,
Get
you
it.
can read. How'd you get up there? What's every wilderness experience without a playground for kids? Okay. You gonna go potty, Caleb? Let me show you how a man does it. We go behind a tree. Let's look for a good tree. That looks like a good tree.
Mommy! Daddy!
Huh?
Help!
The sun's going down and we're done, y'all. We had a lot of fun. It was awesome, awesome time. The kids enjoyed themselves. They played in the sand, they played in the water. We just had a great time, and thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.